This is a 2009 Chevrolet Malibu. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, brake assistance technology, side impact airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Novak Motors for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 210 Airport Freeway in Bedford.